Now the most common question I come across is the Eufy Chime is not ringing when the doorbell is pressed. Now I'm not sure if the alert tone is off by default, but all you have to do is to go on your app, click on the dotted line, click on settings. Now you're on the main page of your Eufy Doorbell, scroll down, click on indoor chime. Now click on the mini bass chime. You can see your chime alert is off. Now turn that on. From here you can change the alert tone and volume. Sharing the device to another mobile phone, all you require to do is to add their email address. They will receive an email stating to download the app to access the shared device. Finally, when you're connecting your device, always go for 2.4 GHz then 5 GHz. This solves many connectivity issues. Remember, you can delete the device and add again. If still having any issues, they have a support system you can contact. Stay safe, peace.